I passed phase 1 of my release capital account, and I'm so happy. Finally, finally, after all these years, I finally passed phase 1 of a challenge. I know for a lot of you, it's not a very serious thing, but for me, it's massive. It's massive. You know why? Because it's not like I used like a higher risk and then maybe within 2 weeks I passed. That one you can call it luck. It took me 2 months and 2 weeks to pass this account. That means I'm now a profitable trader, because those 2 months I was able to make profit by the end of every month of those 2 months. If it was maybe within 2 weeks, and also we could call it luck, that any 2 weeks could be profitable in a year or in a month or so. But this is not luck. this is not luck. So I am so happy. It's wild. 5%. That it's crazy. This is not something that I would have like been anywhere close to. Talking of 2020, from 2022 till last year, it's not something I would have been anywhere close to. In fact, if you guys have been watching my videos, I've said it before, every challenge I've taken, immediately I take it, it starts going down. It's like I just buy it and then lost it straight, and I lose for months, because I was really good with my risk management. So I will lose slowly. It's what they call that thing that they call death by 1,000 cuts. That's what was happening to me. Lose slowly, my account will deplete till I lost everything. But I finally passed phase 1, got 5% of my $3,000 account. I've been showing you guys, if you've been watching my videos, I've been showing you guys. So that particular account, I finally passed it. So I'm going to show you guys the certificate. I'm showing you guys the certificate. I'm going to show you guys the charts, and I think I'll show you where the trades I took that helped me pass this account finally. So yeah, let's go to the charts. So this is my certificate. This is it. I'm so happy. So onto the charts. Now it has been consolidating for a while. GU has been consolidating for a while. So we know that, okay, we are not in a proper trend. So when price reaches the resistance, we are going to be preparing to sell as soon as price starts like giving us lower lows and lower highs. So yeah, that's what price started giving us, lower lows, lower highs, and then we know that once we're at a support, we'll be willing to buy. So yeah, so price started giving us lower lows, and I said, okay, I'm going to sell. Price got to that zone you can see there, and then gave me a double top, broke that level there, and then I entered and it started selling. And I think I took this trade on Tuesday. Yeah, I took this trade on Tuesday. So yeah, and then fast forward to Thursday. Price came back to this resistance again, and then I was like, okay, as soon as price broke that this level here, as soon as price broke this level, I was going to sell, but then and put my stop loss up here. But then something happened. I got distracted, and price broke and closed with that candle, and I didn't enter. So what I did was waited. So you see the importance of patience. So I waited, and I was like, okay, as soon as price broke this level here, then I will enter, so and put my stop loss up here. So that's what I did. I wanted to put my TP all the way down to this level all the way down to this level, but as you can see, price didn't get there. So what I did was that as soon as I was watching my trade, and as soon as price gave me my, because it was remaining around $45 for it to get to my 5% profit target. As soon as price gave me my $45, I closed the trade immediately, and I was so happy. I was excited, and this was Thursday. So yeah, that's the trade I took. That's the trade I took. So yeah, I'm just so happy that I was able to be patient and capitalize on this trade. And then these trades, they were not my normal 20 pips trade. So that's another thing I was really happy about. So there were wins, there were losses, but at the end of the day, I came out profitable, and that is what trading is about. So as you can see, this is the skill check. This is my account. You can see by the right, it says passed. It says passed, and then I'm now in phase 2. That's the pass there. I'm now in phase 2, and this is it. As you can see, if you can notice, I started from April. I started trading April, then May, then June. I passed it this month, this week, last week. Sorry, I passed it last week. So yeah, so it's not like it's a coincidence. So it's not like it was a coincidence that okay, maybe the market was just good, and then I just managed to over leverage and pass within 2 weeks. I was actually trading like profitably for 2 months, and then it was this 2 weeks. So as you can see, this is my account. That's my name there, Bella Emerson. So it's not a big account. I beg, it's just phase 1 I just passed, but still it's big to me. So guys, that's it. That is it. I'm so happy. So now I want to talk about one thing that really helped in this whole trying to pass phase one of this challenge. I think one thing that really helped, one mindset thing that really helped. Of course, everything is important in trading. Sorry, anything. Don't allow anybody tell you that, oh, this one is the most important above every other thing, or this other one is the most important. There is no most important. According to what I've experienced, there's no most important. They all work together to make you profitable. But one thing I have just noticed, like when during the process of trying to pass this challenge, is that what I say to myself is, any profit, it just helps in detaching from the outcome. It's just a mindset that helps you detach, that helped me detach from the outcome. So I was like, every profit I make, it is not for me. What is for me is the end result of passing this phase 1. So any profits that I make is not my money, so I should remove my mind from any profit I see, so, and focus on my process. And that is like one of the most important things when it comes to trading, focusing on your process, forgetting about the outcome, focusing on your process, because that is what makes you a profitable trader. So yes, that is it. I'm so grateful. Thank you to you guys that have been encouraging me. Thank you for watching and commenting and everything. Thank you very much, and please continue to subscribe, like, and share if you like this video. Thank you very much. All right, bye bye.